Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove a repeater on Wix Studio. Repeaters in Wix Studio are useful layout elements that automatically display repeating content structures like cards, products, team members, blog previews, or services. But sometimes a repeater becomes unnecessary, duplicates your layout, affects responsiveness, or simply no longer fits the website design. In those cases, removing it properly helps keep your editor organized and prevents accidental layout clutter. A repeater is a dynamic layout component that duplicates the same design structure across multiple items automatically. Start by opening your Wix Studio editor. Once the editor loads, navigate to the section containing the repeater you want to remove. Find the repeater element on the page. How to identify it. Repeaters usually display multiple identical layout blocks, repeating cards or containers, and the label/name repeater directly inside the editor. Selecting one item inside the repeater is different from selecting the repeater container itself. You want to select the entire repeater element. Click directly on the repeater so the full component becomes highlighted. Once selected, the repeater container becomes active and ready for editing or deletion. Now press Delete on your keyboard. As an alternative option, you can also press Backspace to remove it. This removes the repeater element from the page layout. Another way to delete it, you can also select the repeater, right-click on it, and choose Delete from the Options menu. Once removed, the repeater disappears from the page, its repeated layout items are removed, the surrounding page layout may shift slightly. Important clarification. Deleting the repeater removes it from the current page design, but depending on how your site is structured, connected CMS collections or datasets themselves may still exist separately. What you just did, you located a repeater component, selected the full repeater container, removed it from the page layout, simplified the website structure. You cleaned the page by removing an automated repeating content section. To summarize, removing a repeater in Wix Studio begins by opening your Wix Studio editor and locating the repeater element on the page. Since repeaters are labeled directly in the editor, you can identify them easily and select the full repeater container. Once selected, you can remove it by pressing the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click the repeater and choose Delete from the Options menu. After deletion, the repeater and its repeated layout items are removed from the page. And that's how to remove a repeater in Wix Studio. The key thing is making sure you select the entire repeater component instead of just one repeated item inside it, because that's where many beginners get confused. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.